How much does 1Password cost? Well, I'm right here on the pricing and plans page on the official 1Password website. As you can see, all the different plans are displayed here. First things first, you can get a free 14-day trial using my affiliate link in the video description just below this video. If you click on that link, you'll find yourself on a page like this, or very similar, depending on how 1Password change these pages over time. So first things first, we're looking at the annual plans right now. So annual, just to explain this stuff, there's quite a lot of options and it's a bit complicated. So annual plans, you do pay upfront for the full year. If you don't want to pay for the full per annum price, you can click on monthly and you can pay on that roll-in monthly option. So for the individual plan, for example, you're paying $4.99 per month. If you are paying annually, it's only $2.99 per month, so you are getting that saving if you are paying up front for an annual plan. So as you can see, the prices differ over time there. I'm in USD prices right now. You can have Canadian dollar or view in euros as well. There's extended access management. You can cross the quote there if that is for you. But this is the basic password manager that will just make you a lot safer on the internet as you travel around the internet. It's great for, in general, a password manager just makes things a lot safer. 1Password is a great option. There are other options out there, but I highly recommend 1Password. So you can see what you get with the individual plan for $2.99 a month, which isn't much at all. You can generate passwords securely. You can auto-save and auto-fill credentials. You can share items securely with anyone, etc., etc. And then there's also a family plan. So essentially this is everything from individual, plus you can invite up to 5 family members. And there's a few extra sharing benefits there. There's also Teams pack and a business pack if that is for you. You can get more information down here. There's a full breakdown. You've got this kind of cool table here, which is always handy to see what you are getting and what you're not getting in some cases with a plan like this, with a software like this. There's some frequently asked questions down there at the bottom as well if you want some more information. But I highly encourage you to check out the offer, the link that I have in the video description. You get that 14-day free trial. Check out 1Password, see if it is the right tool for you. Maybe it's not, that's fine. You can cancel at any time in that 14-day free trial and you don't pay anything. If it's for you, you can stick around and get one of these plans right here. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.